Hello traders, today is the 18th of August 2011, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, and happy trading to you all. We are now expecting a very important news regarding the dollar, what I call existing home sales. Okay, the forecast is very bullish for the dollar, but we will wait for the actual figure right here, right now, in the next minute. And also the Philly Fed manufacturing index also do in a minute. Forecast also bullish, but we will see the actual figure in the next minute. This will definitely affect the Euro USD. If it's very bullish for the dollar, we will expect the movement to continue to the downside, as we have counted 5 waves on this 4-hour chart. First wave, second wave, third Elliott wave, fourth Elliott wave, and the fifth Elliott wave. We are now in the A corrective move. We'll see whether we'll have the ABC corrective move. But as I always said to you, the trading triangle, the news about to be released, if the news is positive for the dollar, this currency will continue the movement to the downside. But if the news is bearish for the dollar, then we are back again on square one. We'll forget about the technical and pay attention to the fundamental. This is how the market will react. Sometimes the market will not react to the news because of another news be expected in the next week or the next day. Talking about the general market. Now I think the news is released now. Bear with me 1 second as I'm trying to refresh my page. Okay, bear with me 1 second, please. I'm a bit late now, but it's not too bad. Okay, so we're going to go slowly into this. Okay, these are the things I was looking at before. Okay, now unemployment claim CPI. Okay, bear with me, I'll get it soon. Okay, now let's refresh this and start afresh. Okay, now where are we? 18th of August. As you can see the round here, you press on it. Forex Factory, www.stochasticmargin.com. Click on economy calendars, and are very bearish for the US. The existing home sale bearish. You see right here, the forecast was not correct, so bearish. And Philly Fed manufacturing index bearish. But we'll see how the market will respond, because sometimes another news here, CB leading index. If you click on the envelope, you can know what this is concerned about. And sometimes the market will react in a different way. Even though the news is bearish, you may see sometimes the market will go up, and because of all the blah blah blah. And paying attention to the price will save you all sort of blah 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 blah. Okay, now we know that it's not good for the dollar. We go back now. I want to stay on the 50-minute chart. So now we are in the 50-minute chart. What do? Draw our channel. Going to draw some lines on this 50-minute chart very fast. Okay, that was yesterday. 5 wave ABC corrective move. Today, yesterday night during the Asia session, up to this level here, we are touching this. No, hold on a second. Okay, we are touching this trainer here, but like I told you before, the best thing is to follow the price self, the number 1 indicator. Looking at the 4-hour chart, like I told you, the higher time frame command the lower time frame. The smart money knew this 5 wave. They may try to create the ABC corrective move. Also, we know that on the daily chart, okay, the crazy stochastic is overbought, but generally speaking, the high frequency traders are jumping also on the stochastic. It's not a big deal for us. We have the TSTWS508 and TSTWS508 to know exactly what they are doing, and we are also at the edge of the upper side of the consolidation zone, the kind of consolidation on the daily chart. In my view, I'm bearish towards the euro, but we must keep our eyes on the price. You see, okay, the sunny triangle. Even though this week we went above it on the daily chart, we went above the triangle, but now we are back again inside it. Okay, what's going on? Keep your eyes on it. If you are day trading, pay attention on the first best time frame. Okay, so we went above it this week, and now coming back to retest. You see here, we'll see whether trader will respond to this and buy it here, because the news were not good for the dollar. But there was some good news also for the dollar. Not everything was bearish, but behind my mind, okay, because we are in a overbought zone, I'm giving priority to selling. I'll prefer to receive a sell signal, but if they want to bring it up, I'll follow them. Okay, now going back to the economic calendar, there was some good news also for the dollar. This one, the CB leading index. Okay, we click on the envelope and you can read about it. This is the conference board. Okay, change in the level of a composite index based on 10 economic indicators, actual superior to the forecast. Good news for the currency. So it's right here, the index is designed to predict the direction of the economy, but it tends to have a muted impact because most of the indicators used in the calculation are released previously. So not much big deal, but it's positively for bullish for the dollar here. Now, but the most important data is the unemployment claim, bearish today again. Not good. Okay, and right here I'm keeping my eyes on some of the balls I'm watching here. Now CPI bullish, okay, but the most important is the job creation and also existing home sale. We know that the subprime crisis is the beginning of the whole bearish season. Okay, so if the existing home sale is improving, it's also good for the US economy. Job creation, very important, and also the financial sector, the banks. Okay, the banks, dodgy banks. Okay, all right. It's not everything that is bad about the banks though, but we need to talk about that another time. Okay, what I'm going to do now, go back to my to the 50-minute chart, so we see all the blah 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 blah. Now I want to take a bit of profit, ladies and gentlemen. The price being very generous to me. This is one of my target at 14300. Going to pause the video very fast and take some profit. Okay, traders, so I've taken some of my profit. Why I took profit here at 14300 is target zone using the 4-hour area wave ABC corrective move. If you look carefully, I want to remove some of the line on this 4-hour chart. Okay, if you have been watching our video, you know where I am, because in the previous video I show you how we count this wave, why we count the wave. So we have 5 waves from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C we are expecting in normal condition, bringing us in the zone of 50%. If I draw the line here, you see that we cross the 50% levels here, and the 61.8 is right below that level here. Now usually my target, put it median line of the 50% and the 61.8. okay, that's where I usually put it. Sometimes if the market is not very friendly or too volatile, I'll put it 10 pips above the 50%, which means I'm out before everybody else. The important thing for me is to achieve consistent winning trade, meaning that getting paid consistently. Okay, I don't want I want to get paid. Okay, I want to get paid because you're sitting down, you are working. Okay, you are working, you must be rewarded. Okay, but you have to do it properly. That's what I'm doing. Okay, now receive some money, very nice. Okay, so you take it, don't be greedy. But okay, now on the 4-hour chart, the market was very friendly. That you see where this bullish candle has started from, very bullish, tall candle, come down. Now we come back to the same zone. Some bullish traders will try to come back into the market. They will watch this level, But what we will do, because we are on the 4-hour chart, now we're going to go again now, change time frame. That's what we are doing. Go to another time frame to see what's going on. Like I showed you before, I'm bearish towards the euro, but eyes must be on the price. Okay, that's how you do. If you try to force your intention on the price, that's not a very good thing to do. It's like you are trying to impose your homework on the price. Don't do that. And myself, when I was a new trader before, I struggled with that a lot. Okay, so when I fix my mind to sell or to buy, I come in and I try to do exactly that. But I manage to control that weakness, which means I come in now, all I do, I just flow with the market. That's what I'm doing now. I don't just, I do my homework, I know what to expect, okay, but I just relax and flow with the market. And as you see now, that's what I've done now, okay. So now this is on the yearly chart. We know the critical price level for the euro. I hope you to know that, okay. And the small media line, you did all your calculation, we go back again to the daily chart. This is what we see, and I know for sure that the stochastic is overbought. Stochastic 833 on the daily chart is overbought. We are at the trend line, this trend line here, this point to this point. Stochastic is overbought at a declining trend line. Those who are what I call high frequency traders swinging at this, they trading with the stochastic anyhow. They would like to sell. I know that, so I watch them. If I receive a signal to sell, I will sell because I know they will sell. If I not receive my signal to sell, I don't sell. Full stop. Okay, but because we are in overbought zone, I'm giving priority to selling. So anytime I receive a signal to sell in this zone, I'm very happy to take it because I'm flowing with the higher time frame. But when I receive, when I receive a buy signal in this zone, I'm very careful. So because I knew that we are in overbought zone, now I'm receiving a signal to buy. If I decided, like yesterday, you see, we have 5 waves here. You are not relaxed when you are trading this kind of thing in the overbought zone, but it did work perfectly. And finally, here we receive a sell signal which was more interesting, and I posted a video that you'll notice that I don't post a bullish signal trade during the overbought zone. So you'll see me, the videos that I'm posting recently on our channel is more about selling because we are in the overbought zone. If you were in the oversold zone, I will be posting video about buying. This is what I was doing with the USD yen before. But the euro, I'm not very hot about taking sell signal, bullish signal in this zone. So I hope you learned something from this video. Also, you see now how we did everything from the news and going from all the blah 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 blah, analyzing the market using the stable data that the higher time frame command the lower time frame, and also the stable data of Elliott wave. But the key to remember is that the price is the #1 indicator. You see, crash it down. Now what has happened here? As we saw the euro today here, if I posted a video about that, we took proof in this zone. Now it went up to this level. We placed a trade to sell. Was a risky one before we start this video, and stop loss 30 pips as always, and it happened to work nicely because what is my money sometimes they are doing, because they see the pattern of area wave here on the 4-hour chart. Even though the news is released, they will play it. They will play it first before doing anything else, and also going into the mind of the crazy stochastic trader. No one is crazy though, but that's the way I like to call them, the crazy stochastic trader. The stochastic 833 is overbought on a daily chart. These people, they will come out of their bullish trade that they were taking since this level here. They will decide to take their profit because New York just opened. They will take their profit because they know that their stochastic is over. But these people will jump on it and sell it. That's what's happening now. This is what's happening now. So going to the mind of other traders, playing the game together, and so that you can get paid. So I hope you enjoyed this video also regarding the area wave theory, the news, and how you can trade like a professional trader. Thank you for watching. And we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders.